In the past 6 years, I've been disheartened, empowered, enthusiastic, and a little disappointed. We are in a male-dominated industry like so many industries in the world, but it is our time to rise. So, here are some tips to help you survive and thrive. You had coffee, can I have water?
What else can I get for you? Hold on. We need to cut the video.
Tip number 1, know your shit. If I have to hear that women aren't technical one more time, no, I do not need help with my settings, and no, you cannot touch my flash, bro. Back up. To my ladies out there, I know you know your gear. Stop playing to this dumb stereotype that you don't and that you aren't technical, because you are. Tip number 2, be detail-oriented, because let's face it, we already are. We have the home court advantage here. Sorry guys. You have the ability to relate to brides and models by watching their hair, their dress, and their looks. Tip number 3, be assertive. No, I'm not asking you to become an extreme extrovert. You need to establish who is in charge. Oftentimes when I'm at weddings and I have a team full of guys, planners and other vendors go up to them and assume that they're lead. So be forward and tell them who's boss, literally. Tip number 4, and this is the most important one to me, have each other's backs, ladies. It is so easy to send out positive vibes instead of hating on other women. We are already discriminated against. Why do we need to do it to each other? Introduce yourself and give them resources. Help them navigate, because I sure as hell wish I had someone when I first came in. Tip number 5, don't compare yourself to everyone in this industry. It's just not going to work out. Competition is great and fun and healthy to a certain extent. There will always be someone that you think is doing better than you, or that's taking the pictures that you want to take. But that doesn't define your success. Keep in mind that community is greater than competition. To my girls, please make your voices heard. Join us on SR Lounge to become a writer. Click the link down below. Give it a big thumbs up and click that bell icon for more notifications. I'm Shivani, we out.